everyone, welcome back. So today is Sunday, so happy Sunday. I am making a birthday applique embroidery shirt for my grandbaby who is going to be 2. So yeah, so I've had this, and forgive the background noise, I have something in the dryer. But I've had this PE770 since 2017 and really have not used it. Bad. But the reason why I haven't used it is because I have another embroidery machine. It's an embroidery / sewing machine, which I do use on a regular basis, which is my Designer SE. But I'm going to do this birthday shirt on the PE770. So if you're interested, please stay tuned and watch. Leave your comments, likes, share, subscribe. Let's get started. So first what I do is I have the shirt here. I've already turned it on inside out and folded it in half to get my center point. I have my hoop here. So the stabilizer, this is cutaway stabilizer, which is already hooped. And what I'm going to do is spray some temporary basting adhesive on here and then attach the shirt. So I'll be right back when I get my basting spray. Alright, so I'm gonna lightly spray, and then I am going to take my shirt and line it up. Line up the center. All right. And I'm going to take it over to the machine. So my design is already loaded up onto the machine. So as you can see, the shirt is already hooped. I'm going to lower the presser foot and I am going to start. Alright, so here is the completed shirt. It's not perfect, but it's my first one doing it on this PE770. So as you can see, if I come close, it was off some when it came to doing the satin stitches, and also the fact that I didn't cut too close, or maybe not close enough. But hey, it's for my grandbaby. He's gonna love it anyway because it came from his Gma, and it has a dog on it. He loves dogs, so that's why I did this one. And yeah, so this is the final